fan.
Because he has a nice gun.
Right.
Who is more playing there?
Hey fam, I got that on camera too.
Fam, you're on my team.
I got that on camera. That was funny.
Really? Video and everything?
I did.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Still recording?
Wait.
Yeah.
You're with Alice.
Hey Clay.
Wait. No, dude, you're with us.
Dude, get his shitty
Clay's
ass
playing.
fucking.
Oh, it's high tech, man.
Oh no,
That's tactical right there, bro.
Oh my ass.
Sure. Clayton's ours already, so.
Yeah.
Hit. Hit.
Take me out.
Hit.
We'll
Hit.
take him as well.
I'm gonna take him.
Alright, yeah. Ah! Damn it.
Oh, my ass still hurts.
You gotta be chasing. Jack Wagon. I'm coming for you, Alice.
Do the noise.
What?
Do the noise.
Mine?
Yeah, do the noise. Do the noise. Do the noise.
Stop it.
What's your ethnicity?
Do the noise.
I'm with these guys. Jack
Yeah.
You're Brazilian.
We got that. Damon, we need you, Jack Wagon. So,
I'm sorry, we're Brazilian bastard. Okay.
lame Brazilian bastard.
Lame
I'm pretty sure you
Brazilian
just
bastard.
mixed language.
I caught that
bastard now.
Okay.
You're
All
off with a
right. You get
fight.
one shot. I get
You
automatic.
know, anyway.
Alright, this is so unprofessional what we're doing here.
Like if you see someone out the border, they're gonna shoot you.
You're alone. I like how you looked at it and think about it, man.
I have it right here, so I'm
Is that automatic? No. Yeah, this one. That's Sammy? Nice.
What time is it ending?
How far does it go?
far.
That's pretty fucking far.
Oh, that's not bad.
If you watch it, it hops to get across the water.
Really cool gun right there. I like your shades.
Alright, let's show off guns. This is, what is the name?
M14.
M14, so
Let's
show off.
That's military.
Nasty yo gun?
Oh, you suck.
Nasty yo gun?
I'll attach that late.
Alright, this is my baby back here,
Don't even
you know.
hit the water.
I don't know how to explain this because my English is
Oh, this is my baby.
you know.
It's so good. I buy the $5. Only $2.50
It's
sometimes.
supposed to be Mexican.
$5.
Hey.
Chinese.
$5.
How's your
Egg
ass?
no $2.50.
How's your ass?
Oh, my eye hot. Hot like a
So this is he's AK
Well, let's make it hurt more.
Oh, no.
for cell phone.
Let's make war now, love.
$1.99, you know, it's
Yeah.
really cheap
Okay, so
right
wait, let me
there.
get the teams
Walmart.
right. You, me, Olive,
Crap
that
gun,
guy,
no.
anyone else?
Right between the
Hey, what's the team?
Camera
you,
guy.
me, him,
Seamus.
and Seamus.
Wait, what's the team?
Me, you. This guy here is our.
I don't know.
I don't want him. I'm kidding. Don't shoot.
I picked you. You come here to the.
I got it from what's his name? Patrick. He gave it to
I
me.
didn't even notice that.
So this is Stefan's
How
gun.
much?
Is that a salad?
It's made in fucking Boise. Ew. Gross.
Is that a
Potatoes.
Safety.
shoot it?
He's on my team, right?
No, Seamus is
No, it's
Look at his.
P90 right here.
on 6.
Alright, guys.
Alright, Alex, let's do this.
Yeah.
Hey, everybody, a little gun touch. Alright.
This is so professional.
Guy, gun touch. Give a little. Give gun touch.
Dig deep.
Come on. Me gusta.
Mickey, you didn't put your barrel in.
I just make it up. That's start over. I know where it comes from. Alright, let's go. What are you doing?
Who do you want? Attack each other.
Let's just shoot. Let's just shoot.
I got a sniper. How do you want Who's the medic?
Last man standing.
We're getting high ground? Yeah. Why aren't we getting high
No, we get the low ground.
What do we get low ground?
Don't do it.
Because I got a big
I'm an innocent boss.
No, I thought you got it confirmed.
Oops.
Oh, cameraman. You are our cameraman. Everybody been shuffling.
Where are we going?
This is weird trying to shuffle and boost. I can't do that.
And then, you know, there's the song. There's the real ship over there, hard style. It's not a long or whatever. They don't know how to ship.